Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to drop a quick TA on Sheeb. Even though I'm not going to be purchasing this coin, and I do think it's a meme coin, I have had a lot of people ask me about what I think is going to happen. Straight off the bat, this is going to be a pretty short TA because I don't think it's going up again. I think that it's actually going to drop down to around 13 cents again. I mean, we have been hitting these levels pretty recently, and the only reason that Shiba would actually, or Shiba Inu would actually go up is if Dogecoin keeps going up. And right now, even though the news on Coinbase and Elon Musk got released, it has been trailing around the 50-cent level. So it actually didn't have that push up on news as much as I thought it would, to be completely honest. I didn't know that it was not going to move that high. I really thought it was going to move a lot higher than that, which is kind of concerning, to be honest. But I'll drop a video on that later on my thoughts on Dogecoin and why I think the news didn't affect Doggy all that much. But back to Shiba Inu, right? So right off the bat, I'm completely bearish on this. The day chart has been bearish for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. For the last 4 days, I don't think that this is actually going to keep going back up. I think that for the most part, I think we might actually hit 19 cents again, or the 19 mark. So, 0, 0, 0, 19. I'm just going to say 19. You guys can count the zeros. I don't really care. But I think we're actually going to go back to 19. I don't even think we're going back to 21. I think we're going back to 19, retesting, and then going back down to like 13-cent support, and then from there we can gauge to see how we actually, if we actually break that support and we keep going to the downside. But yeah, as of right now, that's my wife telling me that our baby woke up. As of right now, yeah, I do think we're gonna head back up maybe a little bit to like 19 cents, and then possibly drop back all the way down to 12, 13, like 13. I don't think this thing is running back to, what, like previous highs of 39. Yeah, I don't think it's going back there. I think it's gonna keep dropping. I think it's going, and it looks like it's kind of building a sort of like a head and shoulders pattern. Again, it's not a perfect head and shoulders pattern, but it's there. On the day chart, you can kind of see it forming. I don't really trade off of candle patterns. That's not something that I really do. I basically trade off just price, support and resistance, right? That's basically it. If it hits here, I buy. If it hits here, I sell. Or I partially sell and then I do like trading, whatever, right? That doesn't matter. But this is exactly what I think. I think we're just gonna keep going down. I think if anything, we retest 19, maybe retest 21. If there's an even bigger push, but I think for the most part, I think Shiba Inu's headed back to around 12 cents. And then once it hits 12 cents, I can go back and redo the TA to see if there's a chance that it might drop down to, like 3 or 30 or like 0.003, whatever, or 4. So I'll see you guys later.